This $25 million per month Shopify brand is scaling insanely fast. You know who I'm talking about. It's Groons. These guys just got acquired for 1.2 billion. That's the estimated number out there. We're going to dive into all of that, but I want to dissect the store from a marketing lens and a market opportunity lens here for you. So let's just get right into it. We're not going to waste any time. First and foremost, let's look at their site traffic, because even though these guys are in retail, they crush retail. Most of their revenue comes from direct to consumer, or so I've heard, but you can see 1.2 million is the amount of visitors they're getting on their site. This is an estimate, but I think it's pretty accurate. If anything, it's probably a little bit higher. Now, let's take a look at their main bestseller, which is the Superfood Green Gummies. These guys launched, I believe, in 2023. They raised multiple rounds of funding, but what they really crushed is this simple market opportunity. If you guys don't know, there's another billion-dollar company called AG1, and they sell these greens. You probably know what I'm talking about. It's these, green powder that you add to your drink. It has all these vitamins and minerals, and it kind of tastes bad, okay? I think I've never tried it, but a lot of people say it tastes pretty bad. So these guys just took that same sort of formula and idea, packaged it into a gummy bear, which is a proven mechanism for just enjoyment. Everybody loves gummy bears. If you don't love gummy bears, you're weird. So they just put gummy bears or super green foods in a gummy bear. Super genius. Now, they're not doing this for a cheap price. They're doing this at about $54. That's not per bag. Is it per bag? I think it is per bag. So that's what's also genius. This is like, supplement candy, right? Which is not new. There's a lot of creatine gummy brands out there. There's sea moss gummies. There's all kinds of gummies, ashwagandha gummies, mushroom gummies. I've worked with several brands in the gummy niche actually at my agency, and they all pop off because it's just the best. People just love taking gummies. But you can see they have a default subscription. That's the option that they want people to opt into by default, and it's a lot cheaper than their regular option, and you get a lot more things too. So you get fast and free shipping. You don't get free shipping with the one-time purchase. You can cancel anytime, and I guess this is an online exclusive deal. I don't know what that means, but it sounds pretty good. Now, you can do either low sugar or just completely sugar-free, which is a little bit more expensive. That's actually a really interesting option. I've never seen, I didn't know they did that. For some reason, haven't dove deep into this brand. I just was like, you know what, maybe these guys are just too big. They raise too much money. It's just too unrealistic, but I still think there's a lot to be learned here. So now with these news that they got an exit, I think it's time to make the video. So Drew Fallon, this guy broke down a lot of their financials and things like that. He's a beast. You guys need to follow him. He runs this company called Iris, which is a CFO, an AI CFO for your ecom brand. That's amazing. And yeah, he posted that Unilever values this supplement at 1.2, this supplement company Groons at 1.2 billion. Unilever has been buying a lot of different supplement brands that have direct to consumer roots, and I think they're just going to keep doing that. So honestly, amazing time to be in ecom. And he said, how do they scale so fast? He mentioned this formula, LTV to CAC. That's the ratio that you need to understand in order to scale fast with a subscription brand or with any brand. But for subscription brands, this number is ridiculous. And I do actually have a calculator for this. I don't want to dive too deep into this because it's like way too complex. It's not that complex, but I know a lot of you guys watching, you don't care about this stuff, but you should care, and you can actually calculate this pretty easily by going to shopylab.ai, and then you go to the customer metrics here in the calculator, boom, right there. And you can do this for free. This is literally 100% free, and you'll be able to calculate your LTV to CAC ratio. Now, let's move on to their social media and their ads, right? Because yeah, this is their landing page. It's beautiful. They also run to tons of other pages. Like they do a lot of advertorials and listicles. Super popular thing to do. We do them all the time, and you can do a lot of that stuff now with AI, which is super exciting. But you see, it's not any different. Like this has a really nice brand aesthetic, right? But even if you're a drop shipper, you're setting up Shopify stores like this with some testimonials, UGC, some us versus them tables, even if they don't look, super premium and branded like this. These are all features that you can add to your Shopify store super easily. And then, they got this other one. This is their offers. I guess Shaun White is like on their roster now of like influencers. So they're doing some influencer marketing for sure. They're very good at influencer marketing. These guys are good at everything, to be honest. That's the thing about them, is that they are just literally good at everything. They're good at retail, they're good at Shopify, they're good at meta ads, they're good at everything. Even YouTube ads, you'll see here. They don't do a ton of YouTube ads, right? But it seems like these guys definitely give everything a shot, right? And you can see that they certainly gave YouTube ads a shot, because this video has 2 million views in the last 6 months, and this is 100% ads. So you can, a lot of people don't know this, but you can run ads to your YouTube videos. In fact, many of the biggest brands in the world do this, and it's not as expensive as you'd think. We do this at our agency at Kemi.co. You can check it out if you want. You don't have to. We don't really take on a lot of clients because it's way too stressful. We want to keep things really lean. I want to keep things really lean. But yeah, they are doing that on YouTube, which is pretty smart. Now, they're running a ton of ads on Meta. Meta is the best place to run ads, and it's probably one of the biggest contributors to their success in terms of customer acquisition. So that's what's pretty interesting. A lot of people hate on paid ads. I think, of course, there's just so many different branches of business and entrepreneurship, but you got to carve your own path. That's always, that's what I think will always be true. There's people like Elon Musk that don't believe in advertising. Even though, of course, they do a lot of organic advertising, but paid ads are just super valuable for any business, in my opinion. So I definitely think, and I think this proves it, paid ads is one of the most valid growth levers that you can apply to grow your business fast. And for brands like this that like understand their numbers so well, and they can raise money really well, which was a big key to their success. They were able to raise funding at every pivotal stage of their growth to continue to hyperscale. So they just kept rolling the money forward on ads and, a variety of different things. As I just showed you, a little bit of YouTube ads here for some brand image and presence, an influencer post there with Shaun White, right? That couldn't have been cheap, but it adds a lot of brand image to it. And then, they just continue to roll forward their money into ads. But let's take a look at some of their ads, because this will be fun. This is something that anybody could learn from. And we have this sorted by active ads, but also by impressions. So these are their highest impression ads at the top here. And the first one, funny enough, it's an Ozempic ad. So they're saying Ozempic's new bestie. Here, let me make this a little bit bigger for you. So we can do this like this. Okay. So it actually just sent me to the lander. Interesting. But yeah, so whatever, that ad is running to this advertorial page. 7 benefits GLP-1 users love about Grunes. I think this is something you definitely should try. Okay, if you're a brand out there, try looking up, different problems that GLP-1 users experience, and then seeing if your product can fix any of those issues. So that's why it's saying, this is saying Ozempic's best friend, because there's a lot of side effects that people don't commonly talk about when it comes to GLP-1s and other peptides, but there's a lot of other supplements that can help those side effects. So this is becoming a massive niche because it's a very high spend niche. If somebody's taking GLP-1s, they're already spending like $200 a month or $300 a month on this thing. So what's an extra $40 a month if it's going to help them with the side effects of that $300 a month thing? Something interesting to think about. And yeah, they have this beautiful landing page that talks about these 7 benefits. So like 7 reasons why advertorials always super cool to use, it seems. Every single big brand is doing it. And also it's really easy to do with AI these days, but these guys just have like a really good brand image. I think that's what I'm taking away. Like I said, they do everything that you could think of in terms of like testing things out, but they just do everything at just such an excellent level. So they have operational excellence. That's something that I said on a tweet recently. And like, I think these guys are the perfect example of operational excellence. Like everything they do is just so dialed in. So yeah, shout out to the founder. I mean, that guy is insane, right? And the team, and just the way that they stacked investors along the way, like they just played their cards so right. It's crazy. But yeah, so this is their best ad. And then second best ad is this one right here, a partnership ad, right? So you'll see, and also interesting, they're running multiple
For the
grooms
girlies in my
pages.
DMs who need to poop, and you might have seen my reel.
Hold on. So yeah, my computer is like glitching out right now. It also won't open TikTok. If any of you guys know like what's going on here, maybe you can help me fix it. I don't know what's happening, but it's just not working. But let's make this bigger. Hopefully it works. Maybe it's because I'm recording on two screens. I don't know. But that was a good hook. So let's actually go back to that. And hopefully it works here because I really don't want to have to edit this video.
For the girlies in my DMs who need to poop, and you might have
Okay.
seen my reel.
For the girlies in my DMs who need to poop, that's a
I
good
was
hook.
eating those gummies that make you poop. I got you, girl. I take Groons every single day. Scout's honor. Every single day. If I do not, I won't poop. The only greens superfoods that I've ever consistently
This is an incredible ad. I mean, this is so relatable, so native to the platform, so like authentic, and also just, I mean, yeah, it's just like an incredible pain point that a lot of people experience. And what a brilliant ad.
A lot of others because I actually like the way they taste. I like the flavor, and I even take the sugar-free kind. The other ones that have sugar are 50 calories. I think these are only 20, and they taste the exact same. I don't even know how they're not the exact same gummy. It's not making any sense to me. We've already established that they will make you poop. They're also good for cognition, brain health, gut health, immunity, prebiotics. And if you are on a calorie deficit of any way, shape, or form, like I am right now, they're literally called like the Ozempic gummy, because if you're on Ozempic and you're not eating that much, like you'll still be able to get all the nutrients you need. And everybody drink when I say poop. One other thing that is a must-have for me is the fact that
She's so good. This girl's
travel gut, and
I hope she got paid for this ad really well, and hopefully like commissions on this ad too.
I will pack these. Girlies know about the travel gut. Nothing will ruin your vacation more than not being able to poop. Say little gummy bear.
True. Okay, wait, there's another 12 seconds left in this ad, so what is this about? Or maybe my computer's just glitching out like we were just talking about. Okay, so incredible ad, right? I mean, that was so good, and it's a partnership ad, right? So that gives it extra authority and trust. With just these ads right here, I could probably make up like 2 or 3 million of their monthly revenue, or maybe even more, who knows. But overall, incredible brand. I don't know if there's anything else I need to talk about here. I just wanted to highlight this. Oh yeah, one thing I noticed too is on their social media pages. I guess let's take a look at their Instagram super quick. They don't get a ton of, this is what's cool about Instagram. It's like you don't really need to get a ton of engagement, but you should be as active as possible on here because everything here can be tested as an ad. And it's just, Instagram is so culturally relevant. It just makes sense to be on here and try hard at it. But they keep putting everything, all their links in bio are link trees, and they have all their like cool little drops that they do, their partnerships, their collabs. They did an Olipop collab, which is pretty cool because Olipop is also like a multi-billion-dollar sort of DTC brand. They're not a DTC brand per se, but maybe they are. I don't know. I love Olipop though. But what I noticed is they have this want to partner us button here, and it leads me to this page right here. Oh wait, no. Hold on. Where is it? It disappeared right here. So you can, this is so genius to me because it's like an easy way to automate your collaborations, which are so powerful. So this thing, onbrand.com, this platform allows you to choose how you work with Groons via events or as a creator. So then I went on onbrand.com and I was like, whoa, this is kind of interesting. And it just reminds me of just how many business ideas there are out there. Like if you can just solve someone's problem, like if you can solve a brand's problem of like how annoying it is to build event relationships and all these like creator partnerships, not only is it annoying, but it's expensive to hire people. So, a service that can do it is pretty valuable, and they're getting a lot of traffic. Another really valuable service kind of like that is Smart Reply. I'm proud partner of Smart Reply. I think Smart Reply is going to be a massive company because of just how efficient it makes e-com stores. Literally automates all your customer service. It literally does all your returns if you wanted to. It can do everything you want, and even on TikTok Shop. It's ridiculous. Definitely give it a try. I'll leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but if you use it, you're helping out the channel. You're helping me out. So I really do appreciate you. And that's kind of about it for the Groons video. Congratulations to the founder. I think his name is Chad Chad Janis. So I'm actually going to watch this in a few hours. He's going to be going on the TBPN podcast, which I think also just recently got acquired by OpenAI. So it's a crazy time right now in the world of internet entrepreneurship, internet money. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.